I am healing. I am growing. I am reclaiming my power. I am learning to stand tall again. This heartbreak was not the end of my story. It was the awakening of my strength. The pain that once shattered me is now teaching me how to rebuild myself with courage. I am not defined by who left, who hurt me, or who couldn't love me right. I am defined by how I rise after the fall. I am powerful beyond what I once believed. I am capable of loving again, wiser than before. I am worthy of love that feels like peace, not confusion. I am enough, more than enough. No rejection can reduce my worth. No loss can erase my light. No heartbreak can stop the purpose within me. The version of me that loved deeply, gave freely, and believed wholeheartedly, that version still exists. She, or he, is not naive. She is brave. Because loving, even when it hurts, is the sign of a strong soul. I release the pain. I release the bitterness. I release the questions that have no answers. I release the need for closure from those who never valued my heart. I give myself the closure I deserve. I close the door with peace. I now open the door to new beginnings, to new love, one that honors, values, and cherishes me, to self-love that cannot be shaken, to joy that no one can take away. I am no longer chasing what walked away. I am attracting what belongs to me, effortlessly, divinely, and joyfully. I am walking into my next season with power in my step and peace in my heart. Every scar is a reminder of what I've survived. I am proud of my resilience. I am proud of my heart that still believes in love. I am proud of the way I rise again. I am free from resentment. I am free from regret. I am free from overthinking what could have been. I am embracing what is and what will be. Today, I choose myself. I choose healing over hurting. I choose growth over bitterness. I choose faith over fear. I am learning to find joy in my own company. I am rediscovering the beauty of solitude. I am realizing that I was never really alone, because I have always had myself. And now, I am learning to be my own peace. The past no longer holds power over me. I forgive myself for what I didn't know. I forgive the moments I settled when I deserved more. I forgive those who couldn't see my worth, and I bless them to go their way in peace. I no longer beg for love. I embody it. I no longer chase validation. I radiate confidence. I no longer shrink myself to be accepted. I stand tall in my truth. I am becoming whole again. I am becoming powerful again. I am becoming unstoppable. Every ending carries the seed of a new beginning. And this moment right now, is the beginning of my rise. I am grateful for the lessons heartbreak has taught me. It taught me the difference between attachment and love. It taught me to listen to my intuition. It taught me that I deserve a love that chooses me freely. I am wiser now. I am stronger now. I am more confident in who I am. My future is not limited by my past. Love will find me again, but this time it will be real, mutual, and pure. Until then, I am falling in love with the person I am becoming. I speak healing over my heart. I speak peace into my mind. I speak strength into my soul. I speak joy into my tomorrow. I am done carrying the weight of disappointment. I am done trying to fix what was never mine to fix. I am done mourning what wasn't meant to last. I am ready to live again, fully, freely, fiercely. I am a magnet for love that respects, protects, and uplifts me. I attract relationships built on honesty, trust, and growth. I am surrounded by people who see my light and value my energy. I am confident in my path. I am secure in my worth. I am aligned with divine timing. My heart is healing beautifully. Every day, I feel lighter. Every day, I feel stronger. Every day, I am learning that love doesn't end with heartbreak. It transforms. This pain was not a punishment. It was preparation. Preparation for the love that matches my energy. Preparation for the joy that's coming my way. Preparation for the higher version of me that's being born right now. I release fear. I release guilt. I release comparison. I release the need to look back. My focus is forward. My spirit is rising. My joy is returning. My heart is opening again. I am walking in forgiveness. I am walking in freedom. I am walking in self-respect. I am walking in purpose. I am not defined by who left. I am refined by what I've learned. The past was my teacher, not my destiny. I choose to write a new story, one filled with love, abundance, and peace. I am attracting better because I've become better. I am walking with grace because I've learned from pain. I am glowing because I've chosen to heal. No one can take what God has ordained for me. No heartbreak can block my blessings. No rejection can cancel my purpose. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more healing affirmation like this.